first things first, I have to take. Alright, good morning you guys. So I'm going to be showing you a get ready with me, or how I get ready for an interview. I actually have an interview today at noon and it's like 10. So I'm actually first starting the video off by literally, I just woke up. I know how some people kind of show the video of them laying in the bed and getting up, and technically they've been up probably for the past 5 or 6 hours and then decide to do a video. But this is me, y'all. This is the real deal. First things first, I have to take. Ooh, I'm out of breath. I never washed my face in the shower. I'm taking this Noxzema cream. If you guys know about this, then you guys know. So, first, I'm gonna wet my face. I wore a pink eyeshadow yesterday for Valentine's Day, so now my lids are stained, so that's great. Take this cream and I'm just gonna work this in. Now I'm going to take some toothpaste and toothbrush because I need to brush these teeth. My breath probably stinks. I'm using the Crest 3D White Fluoride Anti-Cavity Toothpaste that has charcoal in it. I don't usually use Crest. I usually use Colgate, but I don't even think the store had any Colgate that I use, so I just went with the Crest. Alright guys, so we are back. I just got out the shower. Now I'm going to actually do my hair really quick. It's already kind of done because I did it yesterday, so washed it yesterday, so I just need to slick it down more because as you guys can see, it's frizzy as hell. I'm just gonna take this Eco Styling Gel, you guys. This is the go-to. I'm gonna take this bristle brush and I am going to just wet my hair. Super simple. Wet my hair. Just slick it all down. Now I'm going to swoop the baby hairs. Now I do not use this castor oil, what is it, black castor and flaxseed oil to swoop my baby's hairs down, just because I feel like that doesn't hold. It just makes my hair like wavy. As you guys probably can't really even tell on the camera, but it just makes it wavy. So I just choose not to use that on the edges. I just ended up using the Eco Styling Gel with argan oil. I have to put lotion on my face, so I gotta do that because my face feels dry. And I'm using the Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer. I'm just using this guy to moisturize my skin. Again, I don't usually use much on my face. People are like, how do you get such clear skin? I'm like, well, I'm a human. I have breakouts too sometimes, but my facial routine is pretty basic. I feel like it's better that way because sometimes when you try to add different products and stuff to your skincare routine, it can kind of make you have breakouts and stuff because it's something that your skin isn't used to. So I would say stick to something that works with your skin, because a lot of people see stuff online. They're like, oh, I want to try this, I want to try that. And it's like, stick to what you know. That's all I'm going to say. Ooh, I forgot the deodorant because you don't want to be musty on the job interview or just in general. So I'm using the Dove Dry Spray. I really like this stuff just because it doesn't leave a residue and you just get to spray it on. I just like how you can spray it on. I'm gonna put some chapstick on. I just use petroleum jelly when it's in hand. Other times I'll usually just use some chapstick, but I don't have any chapstick around me right now, so we're just gonna use that. And then finally, I'm just going to be putting in these contacts because I can't see, okay? These contacts are for distance. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna prime my lids. I'm gonna use this NARS, a Natural Radiant foundation. This is in the shade Tahoe. I'm gonna color correct just a little bit. My skin is so dry right here. I think like eczema, and it gets really bad when it gets really cold outside. So I've been using the Nivea, no, not Nivea, it was the Eucerin eczema relief. That stuff really works. I'm gonna go back in with that concealer and kind of conceal under the eyes. Taking this Fit Me powder. Complexions Black Radiance Contour Palette. I'm surprised I haven't hit pan on this yet because I use this every day almost. Well, not every day, but every time I use makeup, I usually just use this palette. Damn, I gotta do something really quick. Since I set my face with that powder, I don't want any like flash or powdery look, so I'm just gonna go back in with that wet sponge and kind of making sure I pick up the rest of that powder. Go in with the shade Saddle. This is a really good transition shade. Also a crease shade, so I'm just going to use that. Oh, I gotta spray my face too. My handy dandy fan. You need one of these when you're doing makeup, okay? Alright, you guys, so this is the final look. I have my hair slicked down in a bun. I got the hoops on, you know, looking real Latina-ish. And then I have just a black shirt on because I couldn't find any type of shirt. And I have some black jeans on. And then I paired it with this like furry, like this faux fur coat. I got this from ASOS, I'm gonna say last year. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.